Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Trello and Slack together for instant task alerts. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Start by opening your web browser. Navigate to Trello's website and log into your account. Open the board where you want to set up alerts. Now, open a new tab and go to Slack's website. Log into your Slack workspace. Click on Apps located in the left sidebar. In the Slack app directory, search for Trello. Select the Trello app from the search results. Click on the Add to Slack button. Authorize Slack to access your Trello account. You'll be prompted to choose the Trello boards you want to connect. Select the board you just opened in Trello. Click on Allow to grant permissions. Once connected, go back to your Trello board. Create a new card or select an existing one. In the card details, look for the Power UPS option. Enable the Slack integration power-up. Specify the actions that should trigger alerts in Slack. You can choose options like when a card is created, moved, or updated. Next, input the channel name where you want alerts sent. Now, click Save to finalize the integration. Test the setup by making a change in Trello. Check your Slack channel for the instant alert. You have successfully activated Trello and Slack for instant task alerts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password. You can check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.